Today I'll be giving you a walk around of the new Tata Harrier EV 2025. So this is the top end variant of the Harrier EV, which is empowered QWD. It comes with 75 kilowatt hour battery pack and 7.2 kilowatt charger. You get the beautifully connected DRLs here, and you have the projector headlamps and the fog lamps. On the rear you get the connected tail lamps, which look very beautiful. As this vehicle is EV, you also get a front storage space under the hood. Pretty decent space to keep your chargers and some small luggage. Rear EV comes with a smart key through which you can move your car forward, backward, open your tailgate, power it on, power it off, and then you can auto park it also. Let's open the boot of this vehicle by pressing this button twice. Now to close this, we'll press this button twice again. This car is equipped with 360-degree cameras and 6 parking sensors on the rear and 6 parking sensors on the front. It also has a feature from its elder brother, the Land Rover, which is this camera on the shark fin antenna, which is for the IRVM. It gets a 19-inch aerodynamic design alloy wheels, which helps to reduce the drag. Coming to the rear of the car, you get the 2 rear headrests, which are cushioned, and you get a flat bed here, so 3 persons can easily sit in the rear. Someone as tall as me, if you want to adjust the front seat and no one is sitting in front of you, you get the electrical boss mode here, and by pressing this forward, the seat will move forward, and by pressing this, the seat will incline forward. You get ample space on the rear, and 3 persons can easily sit at the rear bench. The driver can also adjust its lumbar support by turning this knob upwards or downwards. You get the armrest here, and it has 2 cup holders also. You get the manual sunshades for your summers. And a big panoramic sunroof so that you won't feel claustrophobic. This is the top end variant, so both the seats are electrically powered and ventilated. The driver's seat is 6-way electrically adjustable, but the passenger side is only 4-way electrically adjustable. So you get the forward, you get the backward, and incline and recline. And the passenger seat is also ventilated. Closes with the proper third. JBL branding of the speakers here.
Right.
A lot of storage in the car. You can put 2 water bottles here. You have the glove compartment here. And there is a storage under the armrest as well. Now inside the car, you get the blind view monitoring system, the 360-degree cameras. Here you get the 2 screens. One screen is here, and this is the infotainment screen, which is 14.53 inches. In the digital instrumentation cluster, you can view your tire pressures, your energy analytics, your media information, full screen navigation, and some other important notifications and the information related to your trips. You also get the ambient mood lighting in this car, which is very beautiful. So this is a massive 14.53 inches screen, which has wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can watch YouTube on it, you can play games on it, and you can also change the mood lighting through it. This car has JBL powered 5 speaker system, which has 1 subwoofer, 5 speakers and 4 tweeters. Now here you get the dual climate control for the AC. You get the boot release here. You get the hill descent control button here. The fog lamp, the rear fog lamp. This is to open the charging port. And here are your AC controls. Moving downwards, you get the terrain control options here.
Wet mode is activated. Rough mode. Custom mode activated. Rough mode activated.
This is economy and this is sport mode, and
Wet mode is activated.
this is normal
City
mode.
drive mode activated.
Here is your gear selector. You can see the P is a individual button here, and here's your electronic parking brake, and here is your auto hold button to turn it on and off. The cabin feels very spacious with this black and white dual tone interiors. You get the flat bottom steering wheel here, which makes it very easy to drive. To enable the 360-degree camera without putting the car in reverse, it is a very clear display and a very fluid one. This is an EIRVM, which also turns into a display for the camera on the shark fin antenna, which you can turn on by touching the button like this. It also has inbuilt dash cam for the rear and for the front. You can view both the cameras by pressing view. It is not a touch screen. You can see the dots here. These are the touch buttons for operating the screen. You also get the sliding armrest here, and there is storage underneath also. You get one 45-watt C-type port here and one USB-A, and underneath the armrest you got 2.4 ampere USB-A and 3 ampere USB-C type port. This is a cooled compartment also, so if you need to keep your drinks cool, you can put them here. You get two 65-watt C-type sockets here, so you can charge your laptop as well as your phones very fast.